Microsoft has established a consumer-friendly refund policy for Xbox Series X and S pre-orders as of August 2025. Understanding these policies can save you time and ensure you know your options when pre-ordering gaming consoles. The foundation of Microsoft's refund system rests on four core principles that make the process straightforward and customer-friendly. The first principle is that you can receive a full refund as long as you cancel before your item ships. This gives you flexibility right up until Microsoft begins processing your order for delivery. Second, Microsoft operates a no questions asked policy. You don't need to provide detailed justification for why you want to cancel your pre-order. Third, you have multiple ways to request your refund. You can cancel online through your Microsoft account, call customer support, or use their live chat feature. Finally, Microsoft offers payment flexibility. Your refund can go back to your original payment method, or you can choose to receive Microsoft account credit for future purchases. Now let's examine the specific eligibility requirements you need to meet for a successful refund. To be eligible for a refund, you must meet four key requirements. Let's go through each one to ensure you understand what's needed. First, your pre-order must not have shipped yet. Once Microsoft begins the shipping process, the refund window closes, so timing is important. Second, your original payment method must still be accessible. This means your credit card shouldn't be expired or canceled, and your bank account should be active. Third, your Microsoft account needs to be in good standing. This means no outstanding issues, violations, or payment disputes on your account. Finally, you must request the cancellation through official Microsoft channels. Third-party services or unauthorized methods won't be accepted. Microsoft provides three convenient ways to request your refund, each designed to fit different preferences and situations. Microsoft offers three convenient ways to request your Xbox pre-order refund. Each method is designed to accommodate different preferences and situations. The online method through your Microsoft account is available 24/7. Simply visit account.microsoft.com to manage your orders and request refunds at any time. Phone support is available through 1-800-4MI-XBOX with extended hours specifically for pre-order issues. This option is great if you prefer speaking directly with a representative. Live chat support provides real-time assistance through the Xbox support website. This combines the convenience of online help with immediate responses to your questions. Understanding refund processing times helps set proper expectations for when you'll receive your money back. Refund processing times vary depending on your payment method. Here's what you can expect for each option. Credit and debit cards, as well as PayPal, typically process within 3 to 5 business days. This is the most common time frame for most customers. Microsoft account balance refunds are immediate, making this the fastest option if you plan to make future Microsoft purchases. Bank transfers take the longest, requiring 5 to 10 business days due to additional banking processing requirements. Let's wrap up with the most important points to remember about Xbox pre-order refund policies. Remember these four critical points for successful Xbox pre-order cancellations. First, always cancel before your item ships. Once shipping begins, refund options become much more limited. Second, only use official Microsoft channels. Third-party services cannot process legitimate refunds and may compromise your account security. Third, ensure your original payment method remains accessible. Expired cards or closed accounts can complicate the refund process. Finally, always save your confirmation emails. These serve as proof of your cancellation request and help resolve any potential issues. Understanding these policies gives you confidence when pre-ordering Xbox consoles. Microsoft's consumer-friendly approach means you can pre-order with peace of mind, knowing you have flexible cancellation options if your plans change. There are 3 reliable ways to cancel your Xbox pre-order. Each method is designed to be straightforward and user-friendly. Let's explore each option so you can choose the one that works best for you. Method 1 uses your Microsoft account online. This is often the fastest and most convenient option since you can do it from any web browser on your computer or phone. First, open your web browser and navigate to account.microsoft.com. Log in using the same Microsoft account you used to place your Xbox pre-order. Once logged in, navigate to the Payment and Billing section, then click on Order History. This will show you all your recent Microsoft purchases and pre-orders. Find your Xbox Series X or Series S pre-order in the list. Look for the Cancel button or Request Refund option next to your order. Click it and follow the prompts to complete your cancellation. Method 2 uses your Xbox console directly. This is convenient if you're already using your Xbox and prefer not to switch to a web browser. Start by pressing the Xbox button on your controller to open the Guide menu. This brings up the main navigation interface on your console. Navigate to Profile and System, then Settings, then Account. From there, select Payment and Billing, followed by Order History. Once you find your Xbox pre-order in the order history, select it and choose the Cancel option. The console interface will guide you through the confirmation process. Method 3 involves contacting Microsoft customer support directly. This option is helpful if you encounter any issues with the online methods or need additional assistance. You can reach Xbox support by calling 1-800-4MY-XBOX in the United States or use the live chat feature on the Xbox support website. Support is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week for pre-order issues. When contacting support, have 3 pieces of information ready: your order number, the email address associated with your Microsoft account, and the last 4 digits of the payment method you used for the pre-order. Here are the most important things to remember when canceling your Xbox pre-order. Acting quickly gives you the most options, and keeping good records protects you throughout the process. Remember, Microsoft's refund policy is designed to be customer-friendly. As long as your pre-order hasn't shipped yet, you should have no trouble getting a full refund using any of these 3 methods.